In today's video, we'll show you how to check the current installed version of My Takeaway Fusion and update the app if needed. First, navigate to the Apps section in your Foodhub EPOS. Here, you can easily view the installed version of My Takeaway Fusion. To check for updates or install a specific version, click on the App Store and search for Fusion. Click on Fusion and select Version History. This will display a list of available versions that can be installed. We recommend using the version labeled Stable. This version addresses most issues on the EPOS, ensuring smooth operation. If you're interested in trying new features, you can install the alpha or beta versions. However, please note that these versions are still in testing and may have some issues. We welcome you to report any issues you encounter with the alpha and beta versions to Foodhub, helping us improve the functionality of the EPOS for everyone. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your Foodhub EPOS is always up to date and running efficiently.